Allah Akbar. I believe I can fly. I want to go and submit your. Oh fuck. That'll rhyme for a day. I'm gonna go find people and a car and I'll be back. I found a taxi. For those who risk bastards in the comment section, just because I have a taxi doesn't make me a jihad. Okay? Or does it? The art town was amazing. Okay, this car's frail as hell. I need to get out. I'm gonna get you, bitch. Display, I'm gonna turn the brightness down to the lowest, just so I can. Okay, so it's either bright or the quality is terrible. Hey, you bitch. Stealth mode. I mean, I know I have a shotgun, but I don't care. Yeah, and so have I, bitch, so run the fuck over. Oh, I still managed to fucking miss it somehow. Propaganda! Propaganda! So, the amount of times I've Are you trying to kill me? Stop running me over, you immigrants. Allah Akbar. Yeah. Oh god, no, fuck. Oh god. I managed to chuck a car myself. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Yeah. Ding dong, the bitch is dead. Allah Akbar. Yeah, bitch. Give me a car. Yeah, I can play this like a boss, but I have no idea how to play GTA. Woohoo! No, I've just ended up in the same place. I'm gonna go to... Do you know what? I'm dying. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna go back to... I'm gonna this cliff and then I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna blow someone up in parking. See, that's just the plan. Do you know what? I might just go on a killing spree. Oh god, my tea's getting cold. Fuck, that tea was cold. Ugh. I mean, it was sugary, but it was cold. Allahu Akbar! Oh, fuck. I said, Allahu Akbar. Oh, boom! Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna put sheets on for What's happened to my super hammer? Yeah. Put fucking super. I'm gonna go. Got it. I love this game. What the fuck? Stop running me over, you little packies. What? Fly. Yeah. Taxi.